Text manipulation is an essential aspect of SQL data analysis. With these powerful string functions, which I'll be showing you in this video, you will be able to perform all sort of magical transformation on your textual data. So if you are ready to level up your SQL game, watch this video till the end and explore top 8 functions that are used to clean, modify and analyze the textual data. So let's start with function number 1, Concat. So as you can see on the screen, I have the dataset of the smartphones. So let's say I want to combine brand and model name in one particular column. So we will write select Concat from customers, that is our table name, and inside Concat I will give brand and model name, and if I run it, I get a column with brand and model name, but I want a space in between, so I will add a space here. And now if I run it, I get the space between the brand and the model name. You can give any separator. Let's add a hyphen. And if I run it now, I get a hyphen between the brand and the model name. So the next function is Substring. It extracts a portion of a string based on the starting position and length. So let's say I want first 3 letters of every brand. I will write select Substring from customers. Inside Substring I will pass brand, comma, starting index number and end index number. And we will get the first 3 letters of the brand. Next is upper and lower, which is used to convert a string to uppercase or a lowercase. So I will write select upper from customers, pass my column name brand and run it. I get all the brands in the uppercase letter. If I just change the upper to lower, I will get everything in lower cases. Next function is length. It returns the length of the string. Select len, function name is len, from customers. Inside length I will pass the column name brand. And if I run, I get the length of each brand name. If I add brand here and run it, you can see Apple has 5 letters, Samsung has 7 letters, Lenovo has 6 letters, and so on. Next is trim. Trim is used to remove the leading and trailing spaces from a string. So I will write select trim from customers, pass brand, and if I run it, I can see no change as there were no leading or trailing spaces in the column, but this is how you use it. Next is replace. It is used to replace the occurrences of a string with a specified new string. So let's replace apple with uppercase apple. So I will write select replace from customers, and inside replace we will pass brand, comma, the existing name and the new name. And if I run it, I can see the changes. Next function is CHARINDEX. It returns the starting position of a substring within a string. Let's say we want to know the position of SUNG in Samsung. I will write select CHARINDEX from customers, pass SUNG, comma, brand, and if I run it, I get the index position of SUNG, that is 4. The next function is reverse. and as the name says, it reverses the characters in the string. I have write select, reverse, from customers, pass brand. Let's add the original brand column, and if I run it, I can see the reverse results. I hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with a solid foundation in using SQL string functions. But learning only these SQL functions won't be enough to master SQL, so click on these videos on the screen and explore the window functions in SQL to level up your query skills, and I will see you there. Till then, keep learning and thanks for watching.